Hey guys, we are back with another Fashion Art Toronto runway makeup tutorial. This one for Kosmos Couture, and we are going with a super glam evening makeup look. So you need to make sure that you are taking care of your skin leading up to this show. Please hydrate, use some, if you have any oils, go ahead and give yourself a massage with the oils, really get your skin hydrated and ready to layer with the makeup. So we are going to do a full coverage foundation, we'll do a concealer, we'll do some contouring here. I believe you are not wearing masks for the runway, but you will be wearing masks leading up to the show for the COVID-19 precautions. So we want to make sure that we're doing everything really carefully. So I do recommend layering and using a buffing motion with your brush to make sure that you're setting everything in place. And I'm gonna quickly go through this video tutorial. If you have any questions, please find me on Instagram at BePrettyMUA or message me on my email. And okay, so let's get started with some skincare first. Okay, so once you've got moisturizer on and the oil on to lock everything in, we can go ahead and do a light base with the foundation just to get everything started. Okay, once I've gotten this first layer of foundation on, I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eye makeup. So we are doing a very dramatic evening eye look. I did pull out my palette, so this is not necessarily the cleanest palette because it is from my bathroom, but it's the Element palette from Motives, and I just wanted to show you because essentially we're going for, you know, these kind of neutral, and we're gonna really play up the depth of our eyes for a very smoky eye. You will have a glitter to be going on the eyeballs, so we want to kind of carve out this section as a lighter section, and we're going to have glitter applied on location, and that is something that your designer will be providing. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just pat on the lightest eyeshadow I have here, and I'm going to pat it on my inner third of my mobile lid just to try and keep that space clean and open. Then we're going to take a super light fluffy brush and a transition shade. So I'm gonna pick this beautiful matte brown that I have. It's maybe a little bit warm. It's supposed to be a neutral, but maybe a little bit on the warm side. And I'm going to just start to shadow my crease. Then I'm going to take a smaller round brush and I'm going to start to do the outer corners. I'm going to start off with this beautiful gray that I have and really shadow that out. Then with the same small brush, I'm going to start to tap on a black eyeshadow just in the outer corner. Then if you need to, you can actually go back in with your eye base to carve out that center spot again. And just be really careful with your blending, making sure that it is all blended out. And then go ahead and take a light shadow and just gently shape this outer corner with some light shadows or whatever your skin color is. I'm just gonna pop on my concealer underneath my eye. Okay, so then we're gonna go in with our eyeliner, and for this look, we are going to do maybe just a little bit of a cat eye. Haha, so. Okay, from there, you're going to want to curl your lashes and put on mascara. If you happen to have a pair of false eyelashes and you wanna pop those on for some shape, absolutely go ahead. I'm not going to do that today because my eyes are getting irritated from all the lash glue that I've been using the last couple of weeks. But I will do my heated lash curler and mascara. And we do want to fill in our eyebrows, so please make sure you are shaping and filling the brows for a nice full look. And we do want to make sure that we are contouring the face for this look. So I'm going to go in with my first layer of powder. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually buff out my face. I'm going to gently press in some powder. If I have, yeah, just a loose powder here. Just gently to push it in to get my first layer of foundation all set. Now, if you have a cream concealer and highlighter that you want to use, I would go ahead now and put that on. So put the dark here, maybe around the forehead, maybe a little bit around the chin, maybe around the nose. I don't really do the nose, but I mean, right? I'm going to go ahead and just do it with my powder for today. And then I'm going to go ahead with the light side and do my highlight. Then we are going for a peachy lip, so I'd like to do a peachy cheek as well. I just have this here from one of my palettes. It's just a little bit of an orange glow. So I'm gonna go ahead and dab that on my cheeks. And then you wanna make sure that you're really buffing everything in and setting it in place. So I'm gonna use a translucent powder and a round fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna go over everything in a buffing circular motion. Okay, and then for the look, you will want a peachy lipstick. Now, you will be wearing a face mask for most of this prior to the show. So my recommendation would be to actually just hydrate your lips with a lip balm at home and bring your peachy lipstick with you to set. If you have a matte lipstick, that is best because it's transfer proof, and then, you know, go ahead, knock yourself out, put it on right away. But I still recommend bringing it to set with you. So I have this one here, it's called Papaya Whip. So I'm gonna go ahead and put something like this on. So just something soft and peachy like that. I am gonna pop up my highlighter just a little bit more on my cheekbones here. And then I don't know exactly what glitter is going to be on location for your eyes, but I'm gonna just use this silvery glitter just to show you what I think will happen with the eyes. Yeah. And then if you wanna go ahead and lighten the inner eye just a little bit, I'm gonna try this light highlighter of mine and just see if I can get it a little bit lighter on the very inner corner, on the tear duct. We don't want this to compete with the glitter, so nothing too shiny per se, but definitely a nice satin on your inner eye would be good. There. And there you have it, just a nice glam look for Kosmos Couture. And I hope you've enjoyed the look. If you have any questions, please email me or find me on Instagram at BePrettyMUA. And I hope you have a blast walking for the show. Enjoy!